3 reasons why men are losing interest. So, napapansin mo na ngang hindi na siya ganun ka-invested sa relationship nyo. Ngayon, gusto mong malaman kung bakit. Ito ang mga posibleng dahilan. Number 1, wala kayong time para ma-miss ang isa't isa. 24/7 ba kayong magkasama o magkausap? What if maghiwalay muna kayo kahit saglit? Hindi break up ha? Mag-set kayo ng time kada araw na totally walang contact. That way, mabibigyan nyo ang isa't isa ng space to breathe or reflect. Number 2, too much exposure of the relationship. Some men are just using social media para manood ng reels or mag-share ng memes. Yung ibang lalaki, hindi sila pala post kasi they prefer to keep their lives low-key. Kaya pag na-overshare sa social media ang details ng relationship nyo, they might lose interest. Number 3, nakakasend sila ng silent competition. If a man truly loves you and is sure of himself, proud yan sa achievements mo. Pero pag na-feel niyang nakikipagkompetensya ka sa kanya, he might question if he's still worthy of you. Pwede ding makipag-compete siya sa'yo, which may turn your relationship from partnership to rivalry. Now that you're aware of the reasons why your man might be losing interest, talk to him about this para magkaliwanagan kayo. Sa kanya mo pa rin mako-confirm if he's really losing interest or not.